Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have not been to my channel before, please do check out my other videos too. Photography is one of the most common activities that most people engage in today. Once you click a photo, you would want to share it over the social media, but before you share it, you would want to edit it. Or else you might want to create some unique artwork that you might want to use in your social media applications. For doing these, you would need some kind of photo editing application. One of the most widely and professionally used photo editing software is Adobe Photoshop. Adobe is a paid software and prices for this software is pretty high. I have just put out the price list that's available as of today for the Adobe products on the Adobe website for you. So is there anything which is free? Yes, there is a ton of free photo editing applications that you can use. But again, the quality of the product and the options available for editing leads a lot to be desired. So today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be introducing to one of the free products that is available. Gives you features that are quite comparable to Adobe Photoshop. It's called Photopea. So we have just opened up Photopea here on the screen. So the first and foremost advantage of Photopea is that it does not need to be installed on your system. You can open this application on any web browser. So it is not OS or operating system dependent. Whatever operating system you have on your computer, you can use Photopea as long as you have a browser that is able to connect to the internet. Photopea can open almost all kinds of files for you. The layout of Photopea is a clone of how Adobe Photoshop interface looks like. Most activities that can be done with Photoshop can be performed using Photopea as well. The concept of layers, channels, paths are all available just as in Photoshop. So what are the limitations? In Photoshop, you get a lot of plugins that can extend the functionality, but this feature is not available in Photopea. Photopea can provide you with only basic filters and operations. One of the most attractive features of Photopea is that it provides you with a lot of ready-made templates that allow you to create a lot of things, like covers for your social media, print templates, photo templates, screen and mobile templates, and also templates that can help you create ads. Another feature that Photopea provides you with is the ability to save the file as a PSD. So what this does is that in case you need to create a draft on one system and later refine it on a system that runs Photoshop, that can also be done. All things considered, Photopea is a very good alternative to Photoshop, and that too absolutely free. If you enjoyed this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.